I nominated Carl because he really is a standout learner. He's the first contact I ever had in relation to Carl was his manager contacting me and saying, I don't know what to do. Carl's been put forward for this qualification. He needs it for his role, but he's absolutely in pieces and he's thinking of leaving the job because of it. I then got on a call to Carl, and that was where my relationship built with him. Found out since then that he was a low achiever in school. He's had a lot of barriers, a lot of challenges within his own life, and he felt that this apprenticeship was just going to be another barrier, another challenge to him. It was a challenge, but it turned out to be a very positive one. He really has grown, developed in confidence to the point now where he is now taking on a mentoring, coaching role and supporting his colleagues and other staff members within the apprenticeship, and I just really can't praise him enough, and the change I've seen in him and the way he's developed and moved forward has been incredible.
Yeah, my name's Carl Riley. I'm a lead practitioner for a company called Childcare, home based in Blackpool, home's called Sandview. I'm studying for my level 5 for management eventually. Didn't think it was going to come this quickly, but it did, so I'm just doing my best with it really. So being a finalist in the Paragon Skills Award means a lot, because it's personally, like, me and education don't normally go together, because I'm more practical. Like I said to you, I always struggled when I was at school. I struggled even in my adult life. It really affected me, to sit and pen to paper and learning. But to be a finalist, it was shocking. And when I was told, I was like, you must have got the wrong person here, because like we don't go together. Me and learning of the year don't go together. But now, once I found out, once I started, I thought that's a big achievement, really. Even if just to get this far is a big achievement, because it's something that I never ever thought would happen. And I don't know if winning is sort of secondary, because to get to this, it's a bit cheesy, but to get to here, for me, struggling so much with my learning throughout my life, to sort of that be acknowledged and be like, no, you're doing okay. I'm not gonna become a brain surgeon or anything, but as long as I do the best of my abilities, that's all I can do and try. And that's what you guys at Paragon have really just given me the tools to try, and the support's there. And I appreciate it now. And now I've got the nomination. It's like I've got a bit of pride in myself, and I like that.